Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. It is that time of year and now we're ready for my favorite things giveaway of 2019. All the rules and regulations will be listed in the description box below. Please make sure you go and read it. And without further ado, this is what you could win. The first product is from Nude Sticks. This is the shade J Mama in their gel lip and cheek color. Nude Sticks is one of my favorite brands. Whisper is my favorite shade, but nudes are very personal and very different. So I decided to go with J Mama because I felt like it was a more universal shade that could work on more people. So that's the first item in this little basket. The second is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I got two of these, one in a subscription box and one separately. And I was actually surprised that I felt that it did do something. It's this time of year, it gets cold, our skin gets dry, kind of dehydrated, parched. This is a really good pick-me-up. The next is actually a hair towel, which I always use one of these in my hair videos and I get a ton of comments asking where to get them. And I find them everywhere. I don't know, maybe if it's a local thing or I don't know, but I decided to include one because these are fantastic and everybody needs one. The next is the Makeup Revolution highlighter in Monumental. This is a jelly highlighter. This is one of the most amazing highlighters ever, which is why I'm including it in this. The next is from Profusion. This is the Prism Eyes makeup case. It comes with 10 shadows and a dual-ended makeup brush. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know how much I rave about these dual-ended makeup brushes. They're not like Urban Decay's crappy ones. They're not like ABH's crappy ones. These are amazing. I don't know what they do to make these amazing, but they're amazing brushes. The eyeshadows are also fantastic. And this is one of my favorite color schemes. The orange and the kind of taupey matte shade right here, sensational. The next is from NYX, and this is the Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. This is one of my favorite blush palettes, not just of this year, but ever. It has so many different tones. I'll pull mine out. This one is mine. I've had it for a few years. These two corner shades, oh my God, gorgeous. Formula of these is so silky and beautiful and just creamy. And it's very pigmented, so I mean, use a light hand. I love that there's mostly matte, and then they have like the three kind of slightly shimmery shades. This is a beautiful palette. Again, someone needs it. I also decided to throw in a few non-favorites just to kind of sweeten the pot. The first is the Moisture Hand Cream by Esfolio. It's a K-beauty brand. The next is a very nice sheet mask in Rose Essence, and this is from, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's another K-beauty brand, Mamonde, I think, Mamonde. The next is a eye brush set from Farah Brushes. I mean, they're so cute. Like, look how cute those handles are. Like, they're beautiful brushes, but I have a ton, so I thought I'd throw it in the giveaway. The next is a Real Techniques face sponge for foundation, bronzer, any cream products that you have. I realize it's not in its package, but that's because I got it in a huge multi-pack, and it didn't come with its own package, so I apologize, but it's brand new. And the last throw-in is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the original formula. I know people like die over this, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna throw it in the giveaway because I have it. And the final big ticket item is the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette in collab with Stacey Murray. I had a bitch of a time ordering this goddamn thing, but man, this is one of the most amazing palettes I've ever tried. It packs such a punch with pigment and formula. I mean, I don't even know where to go. This is just one of the best palettes ever. So I knew when I ordered mine, I knew I had to order a second because this is hard to get over here. So again, I thought somebody needed it. So that was it for my 2019 My Favorite Things giveaway, plus a few add-ons. And here's what you have to do to win. Be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment below telling me which product you're most excited about, and you must, this is non-negotiable, if you don't leave this part in your comment, it doesn't count. You have to leave a way for me to contact you, because there's so many times in the past that I've tried to contact people just on YouTube, and they never get the message, or they just don't see it, whatever. You have to leave me a way to contact you, whether it be your email address if you feel comfortable sharing it, your Instagram handle. Don't leave your phone number, that's just not smart. Or some other way, internet-wise, that I can contact you. Twitter, whatever. I announced the winner the day after New Year's, so make sure to read the rules and regulations in the description box below so you get the full explanation of everything. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great holiday, and that was it. Bye.